Quiz time. Children, are you ready for the quiz? Who am I? A. Horse. B. Donkey. C. Zebra. Correct answer C. Zebra. Very good, children. Who am I? A. Bear. B. Panda. C. Dog. Correct answer B. Panda. Very good, children. Who am I? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Monkey. Correct answer C. Monkey. Very good, children. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.